Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Next up, I'm putting this brush kit on the doors. I ordered 3 of them. There's a big gap on the top that I need to get rid of. Bugs come in at night, and I have a lot of wasps that like to come in here and get trapped. And I'll show you the gap at the top. You can even see one of the wasps right there. But I can show you the gap on the top. As you can see, the brush will go across there, and then it'll go on the sides and slightly push on the door and keep them from also making noise. So we'll get on installing them first thing in the morning. As per the instructions, I drilled pilot holes in all of the top headers so far, all 3 of them. These come in 8-foot sections, and normally you'll put an 8-foot piece up and then your 2-foot piece. I went ahead and staggered mine, slid a 2-foot track on the 8-foot brush, and then I put the 2-foot brush on the 8-foot track. If anybody's wondering, this is the brand I went with. They have 2 and 3 inch brushes for your top or sides. I went with a 3-inch top, 2-inch sides. Got the ladders already set up. We'll go ahead and get the top one in. I got to pull those 4 screws out that are on the inside. They are possibly in the way. And then I might just go ahead and pop a chalk line. That way I can make sure this is perfectly straight. There's the first one. I already like it. You can already see how it kills that gap. And then I can walk over here. The one that's not done yet. But you can see that big gap in there. All right, I'll get this door closed. We'll open another one and keep going. Got to trim off a 1/4 inch. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, now that's trimmed, it's ready to be put up, and it started raining on me. So instead of putting that header up, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the sides to kill time. The door has less vibration when you open and close it. I like that. I like that a lot. You can see all the black is where it fills all the gaps. Let's see how noisy the door is. Yeah, normally it'd rattle. All right, now to do those two sides and those two sides. 4 more. Trying to get this done before the sun goes down. All right, trying to get this done before it gets dark. That one's on. I'm gonna have to figure out something for the bottoms as they didn't reach the floor and it wants to do this. So I might crimp the channel at the bottom with some vice grips or something. Maybe slap some glue in there. I'm not sure yet, but all right, let's see if we can beat that sun going down and get this last one done. All right, there it is. You can see how well it seals it off as how bright it is in there. And you don't see any light. Let's see how, oh yeah. A little quieter. I'm not worried about the quietness. I was more worried about the bugs and to keep the AC in. That's next. Overall, wasn't a bad kit. Definitely time consuming, but it did its job. I'll show you the inside and we'll wrap this video up. Can't really see nothing in the inside as the brushes are on the outside, but it works. I'm happy with it. All right, everyone. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Share this video. Give it a like. Thanks for watching.